Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Nangu ubhuti Moses Makofane lana bafethu uyakhala uthi thina ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans siyinkinga kakhulu bafethu. Uthi sikhuluma kakhulu abo-coach sibafaka under pressure, sikhala njalo. We are always against ama-coach, ama-decisions of-coach. Uthi why? Uthi badlalisa i-player njalo siya-complain-a. Bayalikhipha i-player baya-change-a siya-complain-a. Uthi sifuna imisebenzi yo-coach na. Uthi-ke amanye ama-team ayasapota ama-team wabo ababanga umsindo ama-supporters we-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi-ke uthi kungani singafundi from amanye ama-teams? Why can't we learn from other teams? Asingeneni kuso le statement because it's a valid statement from ubhuti Moses laphana overall bafethu ukuthi awekho ama-fans acomplaina njengewe-Kaizer Chiefs, awekho. Especially izinto mezingahambi kahle, obviously the fans will find something to complain about overall. But i-question enkulu ukuthi ama-fans afuna imisebenzi yo-coach na? I think that's a big question. Well, ama-fans obviously awaqualify kuba o-coach, but-ke because of i-social media nebhaze ku-social media, I think ama-fans afila ngathi ane-voice. And manje what has happened in terms of ama-fans, angithi sokuthiwa kunama-ultra fans lawa trendayo online, and ama-fans aqale esingawazi nokuthi abuyaphi, avele njengoba kusokutrenda manje kuma-social media, obani baningi engibabale ngamagama. And then lawo ma-fans lawo, because of sewana-voice kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, namanye ama-fans afila ngathi angaba ne-voice, so kuba nomsindo too much-ke ngendaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Than ukuthi obviously i-team kumele isapotwe, number one. Kumele noma kuthiwa-ke ama-fans aba-against i-team aye-attack i-team, but-ke critically so abantu abasho ukuthi okay, Kaizer Chiefs ileka nala nala nala, I think banga-improve la. Hhayi ukuthi abantu bavele babe-emotionally. What I'm seeing even online, that is why I stopped making content okay, I do it sometimes ngenye i-team engeke ngisho igama layo, because abantu ba-too emotional when I talk about football. Bafuna ukuthi ngikhulume lezi zinto lezi bona abafunayo. Why can't we have like i-conversation or i-dialogue la siyaphikisana noma siyabonisana? That is why I'm able to read ama-comment engibona ukuthi okay nawa, and then ngenza ama-clip ngawo. Yeah, ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs are the biggest voice in the country, that's for sure. That is why yonke into eshiwo ama-fans vele affect even nama-player. Why? I think if sibukele i-conference kaMayi ukuthi utheni, even noModi bakhuluma even no-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Kaizer ukhuluma ngale zinto ezitrendayo online, ukuthi lezi zinto lezi noma kuthiwa they don't pay attention kuzo but ziyaba-affect. Even uMayo ukhulume nge-moment yakhe ukuthi beyitrenda laphana online, kusho ukuthi bayazibona izinto ezi-online and then ziyaba-affecta lezi zinto lezi than ukuthi bafocus egaming. Why bazibona? Because ama-fans ayaba-celebrate uma benza kahle kakhulu futhi. So same thing lento yashiwo, I can't remember ukuthi yashiwo ubani, ukuthi eSouth Africa wakora igoli elilodwa, so uMessi bayaku-celebrate ngathi uMessi. Next week they are killing you if like awenzanga kahle nanokuthi awu-deliver ama-results the following week. So I don't know if yini mhlampe ekungaba lula ukuthi abafowethu or ama-supporters angatona down i-tempo yokuthi angacindezeli ama-players that much. As much as ama-players angaphefombi bafowethu at some point, but ukubacindezela too much kuyabalimaza. Mina I-criticize ama-player, but-ke akekho umuntu engeke ngamthuka. I pride myself ngoba akekho i-player engeke ngalithuka. For example, uma ngilibona i-player ukuthi ubani bani akusiyi-quality le-Orlando Pirates, ubani bani akusiyi-quality le-Chiefs, ngiyasho and then ney'zathu zami, and then ngiya ku-game yakhe sibhekene nama-stats. UMaurice uma ngikhuluma ngaye angizange ngikhulume ngaye nje ngithi akusimi umuntu ofanele kudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngishilo straight ukuthi bhekani bafowethu, uMaurice in 5 years una-5 goals. I-Kaizer Chiefs ifike kanjani u-Kaizer Chiefs ukuze bamsayine? 5 goals in 5 years. In 5 years or 4 years, imagine lo muntu lo uyi-striker. Amagoli ake wawakora amagoli asadlalela ku-Ajax kusasene-Ajax Cape Town, ngiyakhumbula that was very 11-10 years ago, la agcina khona ukushaya 9 goals or so a season. So I think individually khona ama-player athola ukuthi i-team iku-chaos kufana naku-Kaizer Chiefs, but khona ama-player a-few uthola ukuthi ama-stand out performers. At the moment i-player elenza kangconywana laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uPeterson, elenza kangcono kakhulu bafethu, even ne-defense ngiyayincoma mina i-defense, but at the same time going forward amanye ama-player afana nabo-Dupreez ukuthi kuyagejwa ukugejwa si-understand-e, but-ke sosho lokhu nalokhu nalokhu soleyibula. Yeah, i-statement sakabhuti la si-serious ukuthi hey, ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs akhala njalo. And funny enough usho lento le, u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Kaizer bafethu naye ushilo uthe Ama-fans abona ngathi angakhoja now. Afila ngathi ane-voice. Uyibeke kanjani ithi ngikhumbule ukuthi uyibeke kanjani, uthe wonke umuntu e-South Africa ubona ngathi angakhoja, and then he went on to explain ukuthi yena une-experience ukhoche kuphi nakuphi nakuphi, because of uyalifila i-heat lokhoja i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. It's not easy, you're gonna feel the heat. Akukho lula, kunzima kakhulu, cause one decision izokukhosta and then-ke abantu bazo-react-a kakhulu. So yeah, it's very hard bafethu ukuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. No, I think mentally akumele uma uya ku-Kaizer Chiefs baku-train mentally if like we-easily affected. We've seen even uDuba aphendula ama-fans online cause uyasho ukuthi mentally lento le ayimphathi kahle ukuthi abe back and forth nama-fans. Abanye bayamthuka, abanye bamfisa bathi bazombulala, whatever lezi zinto abazishoyo abanye ama-fans, even ama-fans wakwamanye ama-team limaza uMakhawula, zonke lezi zinto lezo. So ama-fans, they just have to tone it down. Come on bafethu, seriously, like they have to tone it down bakwazi. Well, but at the same time we have to criticize abantu, but isibheke ukuthi siba-criticize kanjani. But this thing, ama-platforms afana nawami namanye ama-platforms or ama-fans wethu, ukuthi ama-fans ane-voice ayakwazi ukukhuluma, and then leyo nto ivele i-trend ibukelwa abantu abayi-500,000 jikijiki. Leyo nto seyaziwa wonke umdlalo odlala ku-PSL. So noma kuthiwa-ke uyazama to try and hide from that thing, angeke, you can't. You see that video, especially uma ungena online batheke i-Kaizer Chiefs, batheke wena straight, abanye abantu bakubonisa ukuthi ama-fans athini, ukuthi wena udlala udodi kangakanani, and then leyo nto le iyakubulala. Ayile nto le beyishiwo i-coach e-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-moment esefana neyaka-Dupreez, then bazo-react abantu online, ilimaza i-player kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi i-regain i-confidence futhi ukwazi ukudlala at their utmost best or at their peak level. Kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi a-regain leyo confidence yethu again. But yeah, ama-fans bafethu a-react too much, but at the same time ane-right. Why? Ama-fans bafethu awanamali, number one, but amake sure ukuthi aye-stadium ayobukela i-team. Abantu baboleka iy'mali bayi-Wednesday night i-Kaizer Chiefs idlale lento le idlalayo. So at the same time, as much as like it's difficult ukuthi ama-players are heavily affected by ama-fans, but they just have to do their job now. Ama-fans nabo benza umsebenzi wabo ukuthi bazame ukusupport i-team, baye e-stadium, banganayo nemali, kubolekwe iy'mali, just they wanna see i-Kaizer Chiefs, but only to find i-Kaizer Chiefs yenzani, egejana nama-City overall. Yeah, it's another day on weekend, obviously, for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlale i-perform to the best of their ability, ba-make sure ukuthi ba-please ama-fans, because ama-fans azo-react bafethu, ngeke adlale uku-react bazo-react bafethu kakhulu futhi ayikancane. But yeah, they just have to, I think abantu they have to separate themselves from ibhola, because at the end of the day abantu baney'mpilo zabo ezi-serious okumele baphile. But at the same time, I would say ama-fans are more passionate than ama-players amanye adlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Amanye too relax ama-players adlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uzibuza ukuthi lo muntu lo serious ngempela, this is what he is giving the team overall, i-energy yakhe overall le teamini. We-expect ukuthi ama-fans mawabona i-commitment yakhe, number one, bazo-reacta kanjani overall, because ama-fans afuna ukubona i-play elicommit-ayo, afuna ukubona i-play elilwayo, afuna ukubona i-play amalinikwe opportunity ukuthi lidlale. I mean, give your all. That's it. That's what they're asking for overall. And then you'll be rewarded, obviously, mawudlala kahle from ama-fans. Bazokuthanda, bazoku-celebrate, and bazokuxolela, bazokuzwela when you're not performing, but-ke na unga-underperform for isikhathi eside, otherwise kuzoba nzima. Danke bafowethu.